my name is Stephanie and welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. For today's video, we are going to be going over some different ways that you can part your hair. Have you ever wondered what impact your hair part can really have on your face? Well, today we are going to be exploring all the different ways that you can change your hair part to change your image up. So without further ado, let's get started. For the very first hair part, we have the middle part. To gauge where the middle of my head is, I'm taking my comb and positioning it in the middle of my brows and sliding the comb up to create my hair part. I have a lot of baby hair, so I'm making sure to separate them so the middle part is more clear. And the middle part definitely gives my face more of a sleek and chic look and frames my rounder face to look a lot longer. The next hair part is the side part. I'm positioning my comb right at the center of my brow and sliding the comb up to create the hair part line. This look definitely gives off more of a girly feel with girl next door vibes. The side part also gives the illusion of length to the eye, and this is normally the hair part that I gravitate towards, and you can also try this hair part on the opposite side, and you'll see a huge difference in the way you look as well. The last hair part is called the extreme side part. I'm placing my comb above the end of my brow and sliding the comb up to create my hair part. Because I have a lot of baby hairs, I'm also going to make sure that all of the baby hairs are separated and that there's a clean line. And I'm also going to go ahead and use a hair oil, taking only one drop, rubbing that in my hands and cleaning up the hair part. If you shift all of your hair to one side, you'll see that this parting is seen styled on a lot of celebrities on the red carpet. For this look, your cheekbones are center stage and you can definitely see a more sexier and sleek image. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below which hair part you prefer, and be sure to follow us on Instagram. It's @Luxy Hair. That's about it. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!